List count of vernier calipers. You must know pitch and number of division on vernier scale. Pitch means main scale's minimum measurement and which is 0.1 centimeter. Vernier scale consists 10 division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of division becomes 10. By dividing these two, you can find 0.01 centimeter, which is least count of vernier calipers. Part of vernier calipers is used to measure internal diameter, and this part of vernier calipers is used to measure external diameter. Suppose we have to find external diameter of this pen. I have placed this and draw a figure over here as this vernier calipers. Now we need to find main scale reading. Main scale reading you can see over here. This is vernier scale and this is main scale. Vernier scale is approaching up to 1.4, not up to 1.5. Okay, you can see this line. This line is actually approaching 1.4. It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 3.1. You need to find this line. Now to find vernier scale reading, we need to find a line from vernier scale as shown over here. One line from this 10 must be aligned from the main scale line. In this, suppose this third line 1, 2, 3, third line is exactly aligned with the main scale line. Okay, so the reading is 3. To find vernier scale reading, we need to multiply this by its least count, which is 0.01. So the vernier scale reading becomes 0.03. Total reading can be obtained by summing main scale plus vernier scale. Main scale reading is 1.4 plus vernier scale reading is 0.03. So the total becomes 1.43 centimeter. So 1.43 centimeter is the external diameter of this pen. Thank you.